In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set daily tasks in Todoist, following the step-by-step 2025 guide. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid grasp of managing your daily to-do list seamlessly. Let's dive right in. To start, open up Todoist. You can access this application from any device, be it on the web, your desktop, or your mobile phone. Simply visit Todoist.com or fire up the Todoist app if it's already installed on your device. Once you're signed in, head over to your inbox, or choose any project where you'd like to add your daily tasks. Next, let's add a new task. Click or tap on the plus add task button. This is where you will type in the task that you need to repeat every day. For instance, you might enter something like morning workout, check emails, or even plan tomorrow's schedule. Now here comes the crucial part, setting the due date to repeat daily. In the date field, you can either type or select every day or daily. Alternatively, if you need the task to repeat on specific days, you can use a pattern like every weekday. Todoist is great at understanding natural language inputs, making this process highly intuitive. Let's confirm and save your recurring task. After you've typed the recurring date, make sure to check the small calendar icon. You'll want to see a looping arrow indicating it's indeed a repeating task. Once you've confirmed that, click Add Task or simply press Enter. Just like that, your task will appear with a repeating symbol beside it in your list. Optionally, you can add a specific time or a priority level to your daily task, which can greatly enhance the structure of your schedule. For example, you might decide to read a book every day at 8 p.m. Also, you can set a priority level, such as P1 for urgent tasks, down to P4 for low priority tasks. This helps keep your priorities in check and ensures you never miss what's most important. To view your daily tasks, navigate to the Today view, usually found in the left sidebar. Todoist automatically curates tasks due that day, including the ones you've set to repeat daily. When you check off a daily task, the app will reschedule it for the following day automatically, keeping you organized and accountable. Lastly, if there's ever a need to change or stop a repeating task, you can easily edit it. Click on the task, modify the date field, and change or remove the everyday repetition setting. This could be adjusted to a bi-weekly task, for instance, or removed entirely to convert it into a one-time task. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to proficiently manage your daily tasks using Todoist. Keep practicing, and soon this will become second nature. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing.